How is everyone doing? In this video, we're gonna go over two simple, really easy dishes, right, Papa?
Yes.
You made Phu Qua Gai Fan. We made it the lazy way, right?
Mm-hmm.
Phu Qua is very healthy, right?
It is.
What is it good for? Diabetes. I think high blood pressure, cholesterol,
Right.
helps you lose weight.
Yeah.
You'll see there's like bitter melon pills and stuff, but it's very healthy. I used to not like it when I was younger, but now I like it.
Most young people don't like it because they are bitter.
Oh, full.
Not that full.
Yeah. You said in the video that if you cut it and put salt on it
Yeah.
and soak it
Soak it and then
with
rinse
salt
away.
water,
Yeah.
then it's less full.
Yeah, and rinse away before you cook it.
It's kind of like eggplant, I guess. Like eggplant, you do the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
I see. And the second dish we're gonna make is what?
What is it?
The muk kwa tong.
Oh, mục qua thong. Yeah.
You always drink muk kwa tong. Is that Chinese or is that yours?
No, they say it's good for you. You know, it's good for the cholesterol and good for the gout. So I try.
So muk kwa is healthy. It also helps with diabetes. It has fiber.
Yeah.
Helps you lose weight. It's one of those superfoods. Do your own research. She drinks the muk kwa soy, but you can eat it raw too.
No, when it's different kind. The green one, the one I have is a full tong. Some of them is a yellow one. It's
Okay.
you eat it like that.
But the green one you can't eat.
It's too hard, you know.
You could still eat it though.
You could, but it's too hard. No tasting.
Okay. Hope you enjoyed the video. Everyone, I wish you health, wealth, and happiness. Well, what is phu qua? Is it Chinese vegetable?
Yeah, Indian 也有 yeah.
So it's very healthy, right?
Yeah, very healthy.
In the restaurant, they serve it with like chicken or beef,
Beef.
or eggs, right? Like
yeah.
egg.
菇打炒蛋啊咁樣。
Yeah, phu qua omelet.
Yeah, okay. That's it.
Wow, I didn't know the inside of that. So weird.
Huh?
Seriously.
If you don't want beat it, 俾啲咁多鹽 soak it，揦一揦佢，然之後 rinse it out. That means 冇咁 bitter, but we like it bitter. 好多人唔食苦瓜嘅。
Gin hong.
It's good for the diabetes.
Oh, the doctor called me yesterday. Oh, gin hong.
So you think okay, right?
Yeah, yeah.
你要飲多啲 healthy 湯水。That's what I told you. Yeah.
You can't eat that.
No. Thank you. 把嘢火係嗰度啦，好嘢啊嚇。that's why 係啦，今日痛啲唔得啦，我坐嘅時候 OK 喎。
I look on YouTube how to do qigong, I think it's called.
氣功。
Qigong.
Yeah.
We should try it. Watch the YouTube video and try it.
When you start early, okay.
個個人可以做 old, young.
個個可以做 ，but 你要 have to be patient.
Oh yeah.
我冇 patient.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I don't have patient.
I don't have patience either.
阿 K 你個 mother 你有 patient. 阿 K 你個 mother 做10幾年啦。
Oh yeah?
Yeah, 太知啊 ！Every morning 拎個 radio 有晒 music 咁喺個 park 嗰度，同埋一班老人家喺度做啊。Now no more. 苦瓜 good for you. OK， 一陣間洗乾淨呢啲嚟。
Now we're gonna make the muk kwa tong.
煲木瓜水。哇！佢喺 Whole Foods 賣99 cents a pound 啊！我話你唔買兩個翻嚟咁平。
You're gonna cut that now?
Sure，cut啦，同我煲水飲。我攞個咁嘅落嚟。
The big one?
Yeah,
Yeah, I put it back.
that's okay.
1.5. You don't like eating it raw?
唔係啦，中意啊，但佢話咁樣煲水飲好啊，is for
Get tong.
腳痛，is for 膠附啊。If you got lemongrass，如果有 lemongrass，撈啲 lemongrass 落，煲個10 minutes 得㗎啦。咁都係焗耐。It makes you go to bathroom good too. Never wasting. 你飲
No, 你飲埋你要
你滾，你揾住佢咧。
滾少少.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells good.
Overflow.
Overflow more good. Now we're gonna make the chao phu qua.
Chicken.
You don't have to add chicken. Right?
Not the chicken. And then you put more things and you remember. Okay. 啲雞啦，葉不過你就都係煮苦瓜啦。
like a director. You're the movie star. Naming sing. I'm director.
其實仲好過切。
한국 그냥 용 scissor.
其實係
Do they normally eat chicken with fukwa or naoyok?
牛肉瓜，
Naoyok fukwa, gayok fukwa. They don't just serve fukwa alone, right? Never.
係炒蛋咪
Chaotan fukwa.
切咗咯。
Oil last, right?
哎呀，我有拉線。
You always say.
You don't need it.
You want me to fill that up, the bottom?
我陣間先啦。No rush，慳地啦。
White pepper. Everything cornstarch?
煮嘢梗係要 cornstarch。That's why 用好多 cornstarch。OK， 擠翻雪櫃一陣間煮啊。咁啦，陣間滗出嚟飲得㗎啦，食得。
water.
嚇？
You eat the mokwa
Yeah.
and you yum the soup.
飲咗水飲，一加入我哋苦瓜。
Add some oil. Put the chicken in right away, right?
跟湯我又炒一炒佢嘅。
Got the guy home.
啊，你繼續。
Salt. Some chicken broth.
Okay. I don't need it.
How long it cook?
爆翻嚟。OK， 呢味就得㗎啦。That's it。都還食得㗎。邊舊年？
Yeah.
唔係今年？
No.
我last week咪着呢件衫。
Yeah, you always wear that. Shit.
See? Everything okay 咪求
Yeah, I went to the doctor last week too.
Yeah. It's a new one.
I hope you enjoyed the content. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Again, a lot of these videos are from 2020 when we were on super lockdown and Popo and the time
Across the street, they come over.
we were on super lockdown and we were just staying home and cooking. So you'll see more videos coming out. Also, this year we're gonna come out with like a Cantonese essential cooking course. I know I've been saying that sometime, or I said that a while ago, but I'm actually gonna come out with it. It's a lot of work. So I wish you well. Yeah, Sun Tai Gin home. Shit.
Okay.
All right, bye bye.
Okay.